Cooper&friends.
Kim Pig, I'm bored. Me too, Wetbird. There's nothing to do, man. Yeah. Should we have like another Mario Kart Deluxe match? I don't know. Me either. What do you want to do? There's nothing to do here in this stupid town. Yeah. Ooh. Maybe we can have a sleepover? Yeah, that's good. But who should we invite? Uh, 35 minutes later. Can we invite Baby Mario and Baby Luigi? I don't want to invite Baby Luigi. I just want to invite Baby Mario. What about Piggy? Perfect idea. Should we call Mario on the phone? Should we call Mario and Big Piggy? You call Mario and I call Big Piggy, okay? Got it. Alright, let's grab our phones.
Hello? Oh, hey, Big Piggy. I was just wondering if it's okay if Piggy and Baby Mario could come for a sleepover. Kim Pig's wanting Mario. Okay, I'll tell Kim Pig. Kim Pig. Yeah, man? What did Mario say? He says yes. He says yes. So, would you please let Piggy come over too? Yes! Yes! Thank you so much! Thank you so much, Big Piggy! Bye! Oh, yes. What the? Kim Pig? Why on the phone? I didn't know. Baby Mario and Piggy are coming. But Big Piggy doesn't want to drop them off. So Mario will have to drop them off. So we'll just have to wait. Okay. Kim Pig? Did you hear that? Yeah, of course I did, man. It was like a doorbell. Yeah. Let's go answer it. Okay. Hey, you two. Hello, Kim Pig and Wetbird. Hello. Are you guys ready for the sleepover? Well, yeah. Okay then. Come inside then. Okay. So guys, what do you want to do on this sleepover? I don't know. Me either. Anything you want to do? Wait, can we watch some kids shows? Please! Okay then. Yeah, get to watch some kids shows with Kim Pig, Wetbird and Piggy. Are you gonna watch kids shows? But if it's a good one. Can we watch the ABC video logo? Okay, if we can put that in. Yay! Oh yes, I can't want to watch another one of my favorite shows with my friends. Let's watch it. Oh yes, Bob the Builder! I love this show! Oh yes, I love Bob the Builder! Oh yes! I love Bob the Builder! Oh yes! Oh, I should turn it down. Oh yeah! Oh yes, I love this show! Oh yeah! Oh my gosh, I love this show! I love this show! Oh my gosh! I think it's way better than Teletubbies, don't you think? I agree. Me too. Oh, it's a little kitty and a bird and it's Naughty Spot. Naughty! Oh, I love this show! Oh yes, I love this show! Oh yes, I love this show! Yeah, I love this show! Oh yeah! I love this show so much! Yes! Oh, Bob's Boots! Oh yeah, I love the show.
Hey guys, Cooper, I'm just.
Well, I almost watched all of it, and I forgot to play the video.
Your boots have stopped squeaking.
So they have. I must have worn them in with all that rushing around.
You've had a busy day then?
Not really.
Yeah.
You could say it's been as quiet as
When's
a
it gonna end?
Just wait, Jackson.
Go on, when's it gonna end? Come on, please, come on, please, come on, please, come on, please. Oh yeah. What the? It's Spud! Spud's so funny. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can.
iMovie.
I can help me, Piggy! Sorry. Bob the Builder, can we fix it? Bob the Builder, yes we can. Yeah!
Where
Whoops.
is it? I can't find iMovie.
Oh, that was a really good show, don't you
Cooper.
think?
I'm not bring inside the house.
Another roly-poly. Yours was even better than the first one. Rebecca, what are you doing inside our house?
I broke in.
Get out! No. Oh. Come on, just get out.
No.
Yeah, finally got rid. Guys, I think it's almost bedtime. Shall we brush our teeth? Okay then, you can go first.
Okay. Time to brush my teeth. Time to brush my teeth. Okay, now look in the mirror. Grab a toothpaste. Yeah, and let's brush it. This way. All done. I'm gonna spit it out. There. Okay. Now it's time. Now it's Piggy's turn. Now.
So I'm scratching my nose.
Okay, all done. Yeah. Can't wait for this. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Brushing my stinky butthole. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Okay, done. I think I need to have a diarrhea. Oh, there we go. I'm done. Bye. 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 It sounded. Okay. Alright, it's time to brush my teeth now. Let's get ready. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, well brushing my teeth. Okay. There. Done. Where is he? Where is he? Done. 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 He's the part. He's the part.
Oh, guys, this bed is actually comfortable. Yeah, but yeah, I think we should get shut eyes now.
Yeah, I'm trying to go to sleep. I'm gonna have a rest.
In the morning.
Guys, wake up.
Oh, what is it? Oh,
Guys,
I think me and Piggy have to go home. Oh, is it in the morning?
yeah.
Thanks for having us, dude.
Thanks for having us.
No problem, dude.
Okay, Piggy, time to go home now.
Okay.
Hello, Daddy.
Hey, son, how was your sleepover with Redbird and Kim Pig? It was really good. We watched Bob the Builder. Oh, no.
Come to Mummy's house. I think we have to go to Mummy's house, Daddy. Do you want to come, Piggy?
No, Dave, I'll just sit here.
Okay. Bye, Piggy. Yay, let's go.
Hey, everybody. It's me, Cooper. And thank you so much for watching
my first ever CAF short with the intro. And I also add some sound effects in there. I had 2 doorbell sound effects. So, and I just can't believe how I did that. It was so amazing. And thank you guys so much for watching Redbird Sleepover. It went for about like 10 minutes, so bye.